Hello, kids! Welcome to the colorful jungle. Look, bunny, panda, monkey, doggy. They are ready to teach you A for apple. Apple is red and yummy. B for ball. Bounce the ball, yay! C for cat. Cute cat says, meow, meow. D for dog. Doggy wags tail, bow, wow. Great job, kids. E for elephant. Big and friendly elephant walks slowly. F for fish. Fish swims in blue water. G for giraffe. Tall giraffe eats green leaves. H for hen. Hen says, cluck, cluck. I for ice cream. Everyone smiles, yummy. J for joker. Joker makes kids laugh. Wow, you are learning fast. K for kite. Kite flies high in the sky. L for lion. Oh, look, lion comes slowly. M for monkey. Monkey jumps again. N for nest. Bird sleeps in nest. O for orange. Orange is round and sweet. P for parrot. Panda says, hello, friends. Q for queen. Queen smiles kindly. R for rabbit. Rabbit hops, hop, hop. S for sun. Sun shines bright in the jungle. T for tiger. Tiger walks but smiles. Good going, kids. U for umbrella. Umbrella in rain. V for van. Van goes vroom, vroom. W for watch. Watch goes tick, tock, tick, tock. X for xylophone. Xylophone plays ting, ting music. Y for yak. Yak is strong. Z for zebra. Zebra runs fast. Bye-bye, kids. See you again.